Hello and welcome to our in-depth video on the history and success of Paris Saint-Germain Football Club. PSG, a club based in Paris, was founded in 1971 and has since then seen great success in both the men's and women's divisions. The Paris Saint-Germain Feminine has had a strong presence in Division 1 of the women's rankings since its inception. The team has won multiple titles and has consistently been one of the top-ranked teams in the league. The men's club, on the other hand, has also seen great success, winning multiple French Cups and regularly ranking in the top of the UEFA Champions League. The team has always had a strong and dedicated fan base, which has only grown stronger over the years. In 2011, the club was taken over by Qatar Sports Investments, and since then, profits have skyrocketed. The investment group has poured in resources and has been able to attract some of the biggest names in football to the team, including the likes of Neymar, Kylian Mbappé, and Lionel Messi. This has helped the club to become one of the top 10 highest earners in the football industry, with yearly revenue estimates between 500 and 600 million euros. In 2022, Forbes estimated the club's net worth to be a staggering $3.2 billion. A huge part of the club's success can be attributed to the popularity of its players, such as Mbappé, Messi, and Sakina Khatchoui, who have a massive social media following. This not only influences the football industry, but also the garment industry, as seen in the club's jersey sponsorship with Nike, which is reportedly worth €75 million per season. This long-standing partnership has brought both the team and Nike immense success and recognition. The two merged in 1989, and the contract stands solid with the first long-term renewal signed back in 2013. The contract, which expired earlier this summer, was renewed in June for an €80 million yearly fee. But it's not just the players and the sponsorship deals that have contributed to the club's success. The club's management and leadership have also played a crucial role in the club's growth. The club is owned by Qatar Sports Investments under the helm of CEO Nasser Al-Khelaifi, and its official home is close to the 50,000 capacity stadium in Paris, Parc des Princes. The stadium, which is one of the most iconic stadiums in Europe, has been the home of the club since 1973 and has been witness to some of the club's greatest moments. Overall, the success of Paris Saint-Germain Football Club is a textbook example of how a club can grow and thrive through smart investments, strong partnerships, and dedicated leadership. The club has come a long way from its humble beginnings in 1971 and has today become one of the most successful and valuable football clubs in the world. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the history and success of PSG. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,